Far in northern Europe lies a country shaped by nature, history, and simplicity. Sweden. A place where modern life exists in harmony with forests, lakes, mountains, and endless skies. From peaceful countryside roads to vibrant city streets, Sweden offers a unique experience in every season. This journey takes us through some of the most beautiful moments and landscapes across the country. Sweden's cities are modern, organized, and full of character. Streets are clean and calm, while historic buildings stand beside contemporary Scandinavian architecture. In Stockholm, the capital city built across islands, water surrounds almost every corner. Bridges connect neighborhoods filled with cafes, museums, colorful streets, and waterfront views. Life here moves differently. Even in busy places, there is a peaceful atmosphere that makes the city feel relaxed and welcoming. As the sun reflects across the water and boats pass through the canals, Stockholm becomes one of Europe's most beautiful urban landscapes. Swedish culture is deeply connected with balance and quality of life. People enjoy simple moments, walking through quiet streets, spending time in nature, sharing coffee with friends, and appreciating peaceful surroundings. The famous Swedish tradition, known as fika, is more than just drinking coffee. It is about slowing down, relaxing, and enjoying the moment. Across the country, you can feel a lifestyle built around comfort, sustainability, and connection with nature. Beyond the cities, Sweden reveals its true natural beauty. Vast forests stretch for miles, lakes reflect the sky like mirrors, and quiet roads lead through untouched landscapes. Every season transforms the scenery into something different. During autumn, forests glow with shades of orange and gold. In winter, snow covers the land, creating peaceful frozen landscapes and cozy towns lit by warm lights. Spring brings fresh colors and life back into nature, while summer fills the country with long, bright evenings and endless outdoor adventures. Traveling through Sweden feels cinematic. Train journeys pass through forests, mountains, rivers, and small villages hidden between valleys. The northern regions offer dramatic scenery with snowy peaks, frozen lakes, and open wilderness that feels endless. Sometimes, the silence of nature becomes the most powerful experience of all. Water is everywhere in Sweden. Thousands of lakes and countless islands shape the country's identity. Boats move slowly through calm waters, while reflections of forests and colorful buildings create postcard-like views. Whether beside a quiet lake or along the Baltic coastline, Sweden always feels connected to nature. In the far north, winter creates magical scenes unlike anywhere else. Snow falls across forests and villages, while the night sky occasionally comes alive with the northern lights. Green waves of light dance above frozen landscapes, creating moments that feel almost unreal. It is one of nature's most breathtaking displays. Sweden is also known around the world for innovation, sustainability, and design. Despite its strong connection with nature and tradition, the country continues to lead in technology, clean energy, and modern living. This balance between progress and simplicity is what makes Sweden truly special. As this journey comes to an end, Sweden leaves behind more than beautiful views. It leaves a feeling of calmness, freedom, and appreciation for simple living. A country where cities breathe beside nature, where every season tells a different story, and where even the quietest moments become unforgettable. This is Sweden, peaceful, modern, and beautifully connected with nature.